Hi everyone, so today I will be showing you how to create a 3D chessboard. If you're interested in making more 3D objects and 3D models, make sure to check out my first 3D objects video. I show you how to create a Wii Switch, a computer, and other 3D symbols such as like a heart and a moon and stuff like that. But anyways, before we start with this tutorial, keep in mind that since this isn't a regular like transition, the length of it, as in like how many clips you use, and really how you design the 3D chessboard, that's all up to you. I'm just going to show you how to construct the like basic foundation of it. So I'm gonna go to New, Multi-Layer, press 3D, make my color background green. For layer 1, I'm just going to add a color layer of black. And then I'm going to go to Layout and I'm going to press Cuboid. Then edit keyframes and then use these up and down arrows and turn it by 25. Then go to Layout and just turn it down, usually up to like 5 or 6 is good. I'm just going to do 4. And then I'm just going to size it up and move it down. For layer 2, I'm going to be putting this picture. I'll have a link in the description for you to download it. Now press Cuboid again and click this arrow and press front. I go to edit keyframes and copy keyframes from layer 1, and it should look like that. Now I'm going to show you how to get the 3D chess pieces. So here I've downloaded this chess font, the link for it will be in the description, and I'm just going to keep this open so that I know what letter to press to get which symbol. For example, I'll have to press the letter J to get this little horse. Before I add my chess pieces, I'm just going to add my pictures. Once again, because this isn't a regular transition, I can't tell you how many pictures to add. It's all up to you. So for this, I'm going to press Cuboid. And then I'm just going to size it down, move it down. If you want to tilt it, then use these left and right arrows to tilt it like this. And then just place it anywhere on your little chessboard. Now I'm going to add the chess pieces. So for layer 5, I'm just going to add a text layer. So first I'm going to add this little piece. So I'm going to press J for that. And then just go to the font. And then go to style and press 3D. Now choose whatever color you want. I'm just going to make it blue. And then for the outline, put this all the way down. You can make it whatever color you want. I usually do black. Or I get the color and I make a really darkened version of it like this. To edit the thickness, just go to spacing and use this bottom thing to make it wider or thinner. When you're happy with how it looks, just press done, edit keyframes, and now you can size it down and just move it wherever you want on the chessboard. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with a few other chess pieces. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can add a master with all of the layers. And then from here, you can do the movement. So first, I'm just going to zoom it in so that it's closer to the first cube. And then I'm going to use my left and right arrows to tilt it a bit. Then at the end, I'm going to zoom it out and tilt it at another angle. And then just move it wherever you want. So here at the end, I edited the size, the depth, which is technically the path, and these left and right arrows. So halfway through, I'm going to mark down each of those settings. And then I'm going to add my graph. So this is what mine looks like. Obviously in the beginning, the second cube is blocking the first cube, so what I'm going to do is, if you can't increase the depth anymore, it says it's at 100%, then just use this little thing and move it down, and then use this down button, and that will increase the depth. And now it looks like this. If you're happy with how it looks, then just press create. However, if you want to add a reflection, then save the preset first, and then you can press create. Now to add a reflection, I'm going to go to new, multi-layer, press 3D, and I'm basically going to import everything that I had once again. So for layer 1, I had a color layer, so I'm just going to import that. For layer 2, I had the picture, so import that. For layer 3, I had my first picture. Same goes for layer 4. And then since layer 5 and 6 were text, I'm not going to add them in yet. I'm going to add my preset first. And now if I go to layer 5, it'll have the exact same setting as I had with the original layer 5, if that makes sense. So I had a horse, and it's exactly the same as earlier. Same goes for layer 6. And now it should look exactly the same as your first thing. Now what we're gonna do is go to layer 1 and press color and press solid color and just make it red. For layer 2, I'm also going to make it red. For layer 3, I'm also going to make that red. For layer 4, make it red as well. For layer 5, I'm going to make this green. And I'm going to make the outline the same color. And then same goes for layer 6. Just make it green as well. And same goes for layer 7. And then I'm going to make my color background red. Basically what this does is we've blocked out everything that we don't want a reflection on, but what we do want a reflection on is left here in green. Now just create. Now just go to Google and search white environment map. Just save any one of these. Now back on Videostar, I'm gonna go to new, multi-layer. For layer 1, I'm just gonna put the environment map that I saved. And I'm going to zoom it in a bit like this so that it fills up the screen. For layer 2, I'm just going to put the new clip that we made, add a mask, and mask out the green. And now I'm just going to adjust the first layer so that the reflection looks a little better. And now it looks like this. And create. Now go to multi-layer again. First layer should be your original clip like this. Second layer should be the new reflection clip that you made. Add a mask and mask out the red. Now go to color and blend background, and then just use any one of these. I usually use this one. And then if it's a little too dark, just turn down the opacity. Lastly, just press create, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that if you want to learn how to make more 3D objects and 3D models, you can go to the video linked in my description where I talk about how to make a Wii Switch, a computer, and more 3D symbols. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram at @VirgoYoons. Link is also in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.